My name's Maddocks from Maddocks Accounting. I'm the owner and founder of the business. It's great to obviously meet everyone, and I'm certainly excited to help everyone with their accounting moving forward. We've been going for 6 years now. I've been an accountant for close to 20 years. We work primarily with small to medium-sized businesses. We work very closely with the owners to try and help them achieve their goals. Have a real passion for trying to help as many business owners as we can. When I first met with Megan a little while ago, I guess one thing that really attracted me to working with her was quite simply the alignment with values, the way we do things operationally. And to be honest, it really felt like I was talking to someone else talking to myself in the mirror, because of how, just how aligned everything was with one another. It was just uncanny, and I guess that's what makes me excited. I believe that the client, all of you as clients are a great fit for what we do, and I really believe that we can make a big impact with everyone that we work with. We have a big focus, obviously, first and foremost, of helping people remain compliant with their taxes, whether that's keeping up to date with the latest changes or making sure we're implementing best practices to make sure you pay the least amount of tax possible within the legal framework we have to deal with, but also helping more operationally and day to day overcome those challenges you could have with actually growing. It's one thing to pay the least amount of tax, but also are you actually really getting ahead? And that's where we can really help work with you, work really closely with the business, and aim to achieve those goals over time. I know there might be a bit of apprehension about the timing being so close to Christmas, and also just change in general. I want to really make a point to reassure everyone that our ways of working are almost identical to the way that Megan has been working with you previously. We have the same communication processes, we use the same systems, we have the same team members. Melanie is obviously coming across as well to join with us, so you'll be dealing with her the same way as what you're doing with her right now, which I'm really excited about. And things like fees and so forth won't be changing, as there's so much alignment between our two businesses. It will seem like you're still working with the same accountants. If there's work that needs to be completed early next year, in January or February, whether that's activity statements or superannuation, we'll be in touch very soon to begin that process and make sure that we meet all of those deadlines that you have and remain compliant through that period as well. As part of the transition, I've been going through the files that Megan has, and we'll be receiving all of the information. So we'll have the history of everything that you've done. You don't need to worry about providing us with any extra information. We'll have everything that we need to go from day one. You'll have obviously access to Melanie. She'll be your main point of contact for a lot of things, like it is already, and I'm certainly going to be available at all times to speak with you. You'll have all my contact details, so we'll be here ready to help. It really is a seamless process. My email address and direct phone number at the bottom of this email. I'm available over the Christmas period and so forth. If you'd like to book a meeting with me, you can click the link in the email signature below. That's connected to my diary, and that will let you book a time that's convenient to have a chat. Really looking forward to getting to know you all, excited for a big year ahead. Hope you guys give us a go, and really looking forward to getting to know everybody. One of my main motivations for setting up my own business was family, to be honest. My wife and I were having a lot of trouble starting a family, and by starting up my own business and working with smaller businesses, we're able to create a more conducive environment to help do that. And I'm very fortunate to say that I've got a beautiful young daughter. I believe things happen for a reason, and my direction was to come back and help small business owners, and very passionate, and gives me a huge amount of joy to be helping people.